Night, light.
Night, light.
Lunch, brunch.
Lunch, brunch.
Dinner, winner.
Dinner, winner.
Bath, math.
Bath, math.
Brush, flush.
Brush, flush.
Wake, take, make.
Wake, take, make.
Nap, lap.
Nap, lap. You can multiply your vocabulary very quickly when you see that English has many words with only one letter that is different. Can you hear the difference between the pairs we mentioned? Dinner, winner, brush, flush, wake, take, make.
Practice production with us.
Are we eating lunch or brunch with Grandma and Grandpa?
The winter meal is the dinner meal.
Oh, good. I will have time to take a bath.
Please don't make us late.
You do the math. We have several hours.
That's right. I may take a nap or make a lap around the block.